Welcome to Handmade Studio, where creativity meets purpose and every space inside your home tells a story. Today, we're slowing things down just enough to show you how 30-minute decorating can completely transform the way your home inside feels, without spending a fortune or sacrificing style. This episode is all about rustic charm, simple ideas, and turning what you already have into something meaningful. Imagine taking forgotten materials, old wood, unused stools, or overlooked scraps, and giving them new life through rustic decorating. With just a few intentional steps, we'll create a snake plant stand that feels grounded, organic, and perfectly at home inside your living space. This isn't just decor, it's a design mindset that celebrates texture, sustainability, and the beauty of imperfection. Whether you're refreshing a quiet corner or redefining an entire room, these upcycling hacks prove that decorating doesn't need to be complicated to be powerful. At Handmade Studio, we believe your home inside should reflect who you are: calm, creative, and connected to nature. And today's project brings all of that together in just 30 minutes. Turning forgotten wood into a rustic statement. Imagine walking into your living room and instantly feeling grounded, like the space is breathing with you. That's exactly the feeling we're creating here. In this first part, we focus on the heart of the home inside, the living room. Using reclaimed wood, an old stool, or even leftover planks from a forgotten project, we transform everyday materials into a rustic snake plant stand that becomes both functional and decorative. The beauty of rustic decorating lies in imperfection. Scratches tell stories. Uneven edges feel alive. In just 30 minutes, we sand lightly, reinforce the base, and add a natural wood stain, or leave it raw for that earthy, lived-in look. Place your snake plant beside the sofa or near a window, allowing the tall leaves to draw the eye upward and make the room feel larger. This isn't just decorating, it's storytelling through design. A simple upcycling hack like this brings warmth, sustainability, and character into your home inside, proving that great design doesn't require expensive furniture, just creativity and intention. Rustic decorating that feels fresh and functional. The kitchen is often overlooked when it comes to decorating, but it's one of the most powerful places to add life. Here, we introduce a compact rustic snake plant stand made from upcycled cutting boards, wooden crates, or even an old spice rack. This design is all about balance, keeping things clean while embracing rustic charm. We elevate the plant slightly off the counter, giving your snake plant room to stand tall without cluttering your workspace. A quick seal with food-safe oil or matte varnish protects the wood while keeping that raw, rustic feel intact. As the plant sits near natural light, it becomes part of your daily rhythm, quietly purifying the air while adding visual texture. This is decorating that works with your lifestyle, enhancing the home inside without overwhelming it. Simple, intentional, and achievable in just 30 minutes. Creating a rustic centerpiece with purpose. In the dining space, decorating should invite connection, and this rustic plant stand does exactly that. Using an old wooden box, chair base, or wine crate, we build a slightly taller stand that works as a statement piece near the dining table or buffet. The snake plant's vertical lines contrast beautifully with horizontal furniture, creating visual interest without distraction. We keep the design minimal, no over-polishing, no glossy finishes, just honest materials and thoughtful placement. This is where rustic decorating shines. It doesn't shout for attention, it quietly earns it. Guests notice. Conversations start. And suddenly, your home inside feels more intentional, more personal, more you, all from a simple upcycling hack completed in under half an hour. Small space, big rustic impact. Bathrooms are perfect for snake plants, and even better for rustic decorating. In this part, we create a moisture-resistant plant stand using sealed reclaimed wood or an old wooden stool given new life. Because bathrooms are smaller, the stand design stays slim and vertical, fitting neatly beside a sink or bathtub. The rustic texture of wood contrasts beautifully with tiles and porcelain, softening the space and making it feel more spa-like. This quick upcycling project transforms your bathroom from purely functional into a calming retreat. It proves that decorating your home inside doesn't stop at the living room. Every corner deserves warmth, life, and thoughtful design. Garden or indoor-outdoor space. Finally, we bring everything together by placing our rustic snake plant stand near a garden entrance, balcony, or indoor-outdoor transition space. Using weathered wood, pallets, or old crates, we lean fully into the rustic aesthetic, celebrating natural aging instead of hiding it. This stand acts as a bridge between nature and your home inside. It welcomes you in, grounding the design with organic textures and greenery. Whether placed near a sliding door or patio window, it reminds us that decorating isn't about perfection, it's about connection. In just 30 minutes, this upcycling hack creates a powerful design moment that feels intentional, sustainable, and deeply personal. Today, we explored how simple upcycling hacks and rustic decorating can elevate your home inside with intention and warmth, all through a quick and achievable 30-minute decorating project. From choosing natural materials to crafting a timeless snake plant stand, every step showed how small changes can make a big impact. If this video inspired you to see your home inside differently, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with someone who loves decorating with purpose. Your support helps grow the Hamburg Studio community, a place where creativity breaks limits, design feels personal, and every home tells a story.